Hello everyone. Today we want to check packet tracer 6237 troubleshooting a VLAN implementation scenario 1. You can see addressing table and topology here. Objective are test connectivity between PCs and investigate connectivity problem by gathering data, and part 3 implement the solution and test connectivity. In part 1 you should test connectivity between PCs on the same VLAN. Okay, you can see PC1 and PC4 in the same VLAN. VLAN 10, VLAN 10, and PC2, VLAN 20, VLAN 20, and PC6 and PC3 is VLAN 30, and also we can check also IP address for this one, and this one is same network and the same network, and PC5 and PC2 same network. You should go to PC1 and write and try to ping IP address RPC4. This is IP address for PC4. Yes. PC1 cannot ping PC4. Yes. And also PC2 cannot ping IP address of PC5. This is the same here. And also is the same for PC3. PC3 cannot ping IP address of PC6. VLAN 30 and 26 is IP address of PC6 here. Yes, same. They cannot ping. Investigate connectivity problems by gathering data. Verify if the following configuration for each PC is correct. We should check and verify IP address of and subnet mask for all of the PCs here. Okay, for PC1, go here and you can see IP address is right and subnet mask also is right. For PC2, IP address is right, 20, 22, and also 255, 255, 255.0, and it's the same also for PC3, 172, 17, 30, 23, and same subnet mask here is correct, and also for PC4, 10, 24, yes, is correct, and also is correct, yes, and for PC5 is correct, yes, is correct, and for PC6, and this is also correct here. No, it's not correct. PC6 should be 172, 17, 30, should be 30, the first problem and first issue, and 26 and 255, 255, 255.0, and it's correct right now, and you can also check. Okay, it doesn't need to save in the PC mode here. Okay. Verify the configuration on switches. Verify if the following configuration on switches are correct. Ports assigned to the correct VLAN in all of the switch. First, we should go to switch 1, and under here you should write show VLAN brief, and you can see show VLAN brief here, and we should check it with this addressing table, and the addressing table you can see we don't have any switch 1 port that assigned to a specific VLAN, and is correct here, I think, because all of them should assign to VLAN 1 is correct. What about the switch 2? Switch 2 is here. Enable and show VLAN brief. Okay. In PC in switch 2 should be F01 assigned to VLAN 10, F01 assigned to VLAN 10, but it's VLAN 10 and any interface and no interface assigned to this VLAN. The first problem, okay, is assigned to 30, and we should fix it, this problem. And for S220 VLAN 20 should assign to 18. Yes, is correct. And 30 is not correct because F011 should assign to VLAN 30. In this situation, you should write conf t and VLAN interface fast Ethernet 011, and right here trunk mode, it should be switch port trunk switch port what was that? Switch port access VLAN, it should be VLAN 10. Yes, and do WR and correct, and again do show VLAN BR brief, and you can see it will be fixed. Okay. What about switch 3? And it's orange right now, and fast forward it will be green. Okay. Yeah, due to convergence. And yeah, enable and show VLAN brief. You can see 011 VLAN 10. Yes, 018. That's not correct. It should be port 20, and yes, we should replace them and we should fix them. In this situation, you should go to conf t and interface fast Ethernet 06, and 06 should be switch port access VLAN 30. Okay, and fast Ethernet 18 also. 18 also should be assigned to any, and do WR to save it. Okay. And what happened here for this one? Port configured for the correct mode. Yes, we have done it. Port configured to correct mode. In this port connected to correct devices. In this situation, we should go here, for example, to switch 1 and check. Show interface trunk. You can see this is a native VLAN G01, but also conf t interface G01 also should be switch port trunk switch port mode trunk. Yes, because G01 also should cross a lot of interface and a lot of VLAN, excuse me. And also you should write switch port trunk native VLAN 99. Do WR and write again, do show interface to show interface trunk, and you can see both of them is member of native VLAN. No, and also both of them is in trunk mode. And also it's same for switch 3. What about switch 3? Switch 3 do show uh, interface trunk. You can see G02. G02, yes, this is G02. G02 is trunking mode is on and native VLAN is 99. This is correct. Very good. What about here? Do show interface trunk. Do show interface trunk. It doesn't have any trunk. It means we don't have any trunk here. In switch to G01 interface G01, okay, should be trunk. Switch port mode trunk, okay, and it will be down and it will be up again, and fast forward it will be green because G01 in switch 2 should cross a lot of VLAN here. Is correct right now. And also native. All of the interface that have a trunk should also have native VLAN. This is important. Yes, switch port trunk native VLAN 99 and do WR and write again show show interface trunk. And we need also to do because it's configure mode. And you can see now before that here, right, show interface interface trunk. There's nothing in the database, but now in the database you can see G01 is member of native VLAN and native VLAN 99, and tracking mode is active right now. Okay, and document the problem and solution. Yes, we have seen all of the problem here. For example, PC6 need to write IP address, and now is correct. And also in S2, we don't have any trunk mode under this interface, and in switch 1 and switch 3, some of the interfaces fix or configure wrong in any interfaces. Now we should check connectivity again, and in this situation we should connectivity, and you can see yes is right now is correct, and also for PC2 is correct or not correct. It's not correct. You have any problem here? We should find it. Okay. What about yes, PC3 also correct. But why PC2 cannot cross here? Cannot cross here because it's correct, and also switch 2 we should also check to show VLAN brief. You can see G018 is member of 20 is correct, and also G02, and we don't have any problem here, and it's correct, and also IP address. And this IP address is correct, and we should check PC3 and G02 is correct. G02 is correct here also. 10, 20, 30, 99 can pass over G02. And also we should write here to show VLAN brief and check 20. Yes, 20 is for 018 and 6 is for this one and this one and this one. Okay, and we should go here. PC2, explain the connectivity issue between PC2 and PC5. Yes. They cannot ping each other. And record the necessary actions to correct the issues. Because if you go here, you can see fast Ethernet 017 is up, is not 18, but in the here you can see F018 should be active. In this situation, you should go here and first you should go here and click on it, and after that, or maybe it's better, yes, and should choose 18 and click on fast forward, and now come back here. Yes, now it works. Okay. Problem is interface 018. It was connected to 017 in switch 3. It was problem. And PC3 can also ping PC6 is okay. Implement the solution and test connectivity. Verify PCs on the same VLAN can now ping each other. If not, continue to troubleshooting. Okay. Thank you for watching.